a pentagonal pyramid. Okay. So in this pentagonal pyramid, what is the data given in your question? Base
35 mm.
35 mm and then axis is 60. Okay. So the axis is 60 mm. Okay. So what is meant by axis? So the center point of the base and the top surface, that is called as the apex. The line joining the center and the apex is called as axis. Okay. These two data is given. Okay. And what is the third data given? So we have to keep this on a plane. Okay. So in the question is given that so the base is resting on HP. The base is resting on HP. So to understand, so this is a vertical plane. Okay. So now what happens is, so it is kept on a horizontal plane. So what the question is, it may be like this. Okay. Okay. So like this, it is kept. Next, what is the condition given? The edges of the base is perpendicular to VP. So here, okay. So here there are 5 edges. Okay. So the condition given in the question is one of the edges perpendicular to VP. So I have told you that this wall is considered, or this board can be considered as a vertical plane. So if you take this edge, so if you match here, now see here this edge is perpendicular to VP. So we can keep the position like this. Okay. So this is the position. If I am keeping like this will not match because no edge is perpendicular to VP. So what one edge should be correctly 90 degree. So this edge is 90 degree. So this is the position. Okay. Next, what data is given? A section plane. What is meant by section plane? There is a cutting plane. Okay. So if there is a cutting plane, it is going to cut this object. Okay. So what is the condition of the cutting plane? Perpendicular to HP. So when it is a perpendicular to HP, what is the condition? Is this like this or like this? Like this. Okay. We have to cut the plane like this. So the cutting plane is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So this is the position of the cutting plane. Okay. Now, where to cut this object? 20 mm from the corner. See, 20 mm from the corner. Okay. This is the corner. Because we are considering this as a corner, from 20 mm from the corner and then nearer to the observer. Who is the observer? You are the observer. Okay. So nearer to you. So from here we have to mark 20 mm. The 20 mm we have to cut here like this. Cut this object correctly, accurately by 90 degree cutting plane. So after cutting this, what is the top view and what is the front view? This we have to draw. Can you understand now? So if you take this, the rough diagram, so here the cutting plane will be like this. Okay, I'll make the different color. So we have cutting plane will be like this. So this is VP and this is HV. So we are cutting this and then we have to draw the front view and the top view. Front view and the top view. Okay. So this is about the planes. Okay. Now, so when we want to do like this, first initially for all the section of solids and everything, we have to draw the top view and the front view. Okay. So before going to that, first we have to draw the reference line as X and Y. Okay. So So what is the condition? What was the condition discussed? One of the edges perpendicular to BP. So in the top view, what happens is you have to draw one of the edge by marking a point. Okay, draw one of the edge. So it is a pentagonal pyramid or hexagonal pyramid? Pentagon. So 5 sides. Okay. So this is like this. So now okay, you can start. Both the points are in same line. So we can start here or here, no issues, because both are in the same. So here it is A, B, C, D, E. Now how to make the center point? Because it is an pyramid. So all the lines will be joined in the apex. So how will be in the view? So we have to make the, from this E, we have to make the center point of here. Okay, same way we can make this cut here. Okay, so after identifying this, we can join this. Okay, and leave this. So this is the top. Can you understand? Now you can project here. So project this right. Now what is the distance of this base? How much?
35.
That is
35.
30. So it is 35 mm. Okay. Like here this is 35 mm. Okay. Now if you want to draw this, now we have to have the axis. Where is the axis passing? Maybe center or anywhere the axis will be here. So what is the height? 60 mm. So that can be taken as an height and drawn as 60. You take the axis first, okay, because this is a, so we can measure 60 mm and draw the axis, because the axis height is given. Now what you can do? Now you can join this and this. Okay, now give the points. How to mark the points? Okay, so this is O. So in the front view, O will be visible. You can take as O dash. Okay, come to here. Here what happens in the front view? What are the edges, corners are visible? A, B, C. So A is visible, B is visible, C is visible. Can you understand? A is visible, B is visible, C is visible. Not here, which are not visible? E, and then D is not visible. So we can't give the same name. So what you are doing? A dash, B dash, D dash, and then C dash. Okay. Now this is the view we have drawn. Now what they have told that you have to draw the cutting plane. Okay. Now the cutting plane is cutting the object. Okay. This is our view. Okay. Assume this is a vertical plane. The cutting plane is cutting this object 20 mm from the corner and nearer to the observer. So what you have to do is you have to make from here, this is the corner, from here you can take 20 mm and then you can draw a line. So this is the line. Okay, so this is 35 mm. So 20 mm you are taking from the corner point and then you are drawing this cutting plane. Okay, now this cutting plane cuts the line AB. Here this is marked as 1 and this is 2 and here this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, So when you are cutting this object, okay, so this is the condition. When you are cutting this object like this, it cuts the point A and O, and then cuts the line B and O, and then C and O. That you are marking there. So all the points you are marking the lines. Okay. Now what to do? You have to draw the vertical lines from here. Okay. So from here you have to draw the vertical lines. This here. So here this line is cutting OA. Okay. See, the first point is here OA. Next OB. So here. Again this line is cutting. First point is here. You are drawing a straight line. So it matches this place. From 2, draw a straight line. It goes here where it touches OA. So here OA. So mark this point as this 2 dash. This is 1 dash. Okay. Where the third point is cutting, which line? This is center point is O. What is this point? O B. Where is the line here? This is O and this is B. So we have to match this third point here. Okay, somewhat here. And what about here? So when you are drawing, it will be left side, so it will be cutting here. What about the fourth point? It is cutting the line here. Okay. So this is you have to join all these. Okay, and you can okay. So this is the section of the front view. Okay, any doubt in this?